for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, heated seats, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, fog lamps, security system, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.